Hello, Aidan here again, and welcome to another Golf Predictor tutorial. I've just realized that I forgot to cover some very interesting and useful stats on the Tournament Statistics Rounds page, so this brief tutorial is to cover that gap. As you see here in the preamble to the page, there is a link to some extra stats that are available on this page. So you can either scroll down manually or press on this link to go directly to those stats. So here you have a very useful table of the scoring records for the season in question. Again, the season is chosen from the drop-down list at the top of the page. So for the 2015 season, prior to this week's events, so that means everything up to and including the Greenbrier Classic, you can see the lowest and highest rounds in each round, the average round score and how many rounds were analysed, and also see the average score versus par for each round for the season thus far. So there's a wealth of useful information here. For example, you can see that the highest round 1 score this season was unfortunately by Ben Crenshaw in the Masters. You can see that the lowest round score on the other hand was 62, and that was done by several golfers, and they're all linked, they're all listed there. You can also see that there was just over 3,500 first rounds analysed. Similarly, you can see there's just under 3,500 second rounds. So you might ask, well, why aren't there the same number of first rounds and second rounds? Because most tournaments consist of 4 rounds where the cut is after round 2. Well, the reason for that is several golfers withdraw after round 1, which they have completed, but they haven't completed round 2. So that's why there are more round 1s than round 2. Similarly, some golfers made the cut but did not finish, or withdrew after round 3, so therefore the round 3 count is higher than the round 4 count. Overall, then, you can see that the average score is 71.14 from 10,900 rounds, and on average the score was a minus 0.13. So the average score on the 2015 season thus far is just under par. You can also see some other interesting stats that round 3 for some reason seems to be moving day, seems to be the easiest round, while round 1 is the hardest round, which is the only round on the 2015 US Tour so far that is playing over par. Okay, so you see there are some very interesting round stats available, and apologies for not mentioning that in the original video. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video useful.